Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video we'll be going over list views. Now list views are a collection of columns and records displayed for the user, presented very much like a table. It could be either single or multiple records. So as you can see, we have a table-like view right over here. Now, what can you do in list views? Well, for starters, you can change the column's order to ascending or descending by clicking on the arrow on the column. So as of now, it's descending. Now it is ascending. A to Z is ascending, and Z to A is descending. You can also resize the columns. You can also select a list view and pin them as your default. So here are all the other list views. Say closing next month. You can pin that. So each time you click on the Opportunities tab, this will appear by default. But let's go back to all opportunities and let's pin this. A neat thing you can do with list views, you can update your fields, either single or multiple. So let's do a single. Let's change this to negotiation review and save. So it is updated. So let's do multiple. Select the ones. You can select any of them. Your desired opportunity name. So let's go to this one. And let's select negotiation and review. And I'm going to check this off. Update 6 selected items. So whatever items I selected from the list view, it will also update it. So click apply and then save. And there you have it. So what about these tools right over here? All right, let's take a look. So right over here is the show filters. You can filter your list view. So this is here by default. All opportunities, my team's opportunities. Now let's add a few filters. All right, so for the first one, I am going to do, say, stage. And I want it to be closed one and then done. And then let's pick amount and equals to, actually, let's do less than. Done. We can also add filter logic. So primarily it's either and or operators. So as you can see, 1 and 2. So both of these have to meet in order to be displayed. So I'm going to keep it as that. And I'm going to click save. So right now it's showing me opportunities that have a stage closed 1 and that are less than 100,000. All right. Let's remove all, save. Now you can do a chart as well, but you're only limited to 3 charts, which is the donut, horizontal bar graph, and vertical bar graph. So here are some pre-made charts. So we can do So let's create one. Let's see, let's do count. Let's say account name. Say lead source. Test lead. Alright. These are just leads. You can change them to donut. And here are all the information. You can also edit using the edit list, but it's easier to just go to the field in the specific column or record and update from there. You can refresh, and there's different set of views. I meant to say displays. So we have table, which is what we have right now, and we have Kanban. So Kanban shows us the stages, and you can move each opportunity's stage. So let's move this here, and let's move this back. And there's another view. So here is split view. I believe this to be something very convenient. As you can see, we have all our opportunity names right over here, and you can select your desired list view, and you can refresh. So let's click on one. What's really convenient about it is that you select your desired opportunity name, and as you select that, here will populate a record page of the opportunity, just like the just a regular record page. And this is also collapsible, so you get a full view. And if you want to see other records, just click this button right over here, and you have your window pane back. Well, let's go back to the table view. Now these buttons right over here on top, new is to create a new record. Printable view, let's check that out real quick. It's showing you the records right over here in a print format. And the gear icon right over here is the list view controls. You can create your own list view. You can clone this one. You can rename it. And you can add sharing settings. So here are the options for sharing settings. Only I can see this view. All users can see this list view, and share a list with groups of users. So this is applicable to roles and subordinates in your org. So let's pick roles. So whatever's in your org, you can assign this list view to the roles. Let's get out of that. And you can search columns right over here, fields. And you can also favorite this list view. And what else do we have? So you can also delete. You can also select fields to display. So here are the fields we have right now in our list view. You can put card type. You can change the order as well. So save. So card type column is here, but let's go back and get rid of that. All right. Now, something I do want to note, some of the system list views may not allow you to select fields to display or delete. Now, if you're not able to select any fields, you can actually go to the object manager and go to the selected object and go to search layouts. So right now we're in opportunities, search layouts, and you can edit and you can add your available fields to the selected fields, and it will be applicable to the layout. And then once you add that, you click save. And that is what you can do with list views. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.